The Tangram is a Chinese puzzle consisting of 7 flat shapes called tans, which are put together to form figures or other shapes. Tangrams can be used in geometry to teach geometric concepts. In the lesson that I'm going to present to you, a puzzle is given to us that has all of the 7 shapes marked on it. This is a 4x4 puzzle, or you can make your own square of any size. The one we're going to use is a 6x6 square. You begin by folding the square along a diagonal, matching the corners and the edges very carefully. Cut along the crease and you'll be forming 2 large right triangles. Hold one of the right triangles so that the right angle is at the top. Fold it in half from left to right, matching corners and edges very carefully, and cut along the crease, forming 2 right triangles. As you do this, you can point out to the students that dividing a geometric shape in half creates a line of symmetry, and also that the 2 triangles formed are congruent. You can also point out that these triangles are isosceles and right triangles, and talk about the attributes of these types of triangles. Also, these triangles are similar, which means they have the same angle measures. Next, you will hold the other large triangle so that the right angle is at the top. Fold this top down so that it touches the bottom of the triangle at the midpoint of that side. Crease carefully and cut along the crease. This forms a middle-sized triangle. The remaining piece is a trapezoid. Fold it in half from left to right, matching corners and edges carefully. Cut along the crease. This forms 2 smaller trapezoids. Here you would want to point out that a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with 1 pair of parallel sides. Next, take one of the smaller trapezoids and fold so that the long point touches the right angle adjacent to it. Crease carefully, making sure the edges are even, and cut along the crease to form a square and a small triangle. Hold the second trapezoid so that it resembles a shoe. Fold the heel point to the laces point. Crease carefully and cut along the crease to form a parallelogram and another small triangle. Here you could point out the attributes of a parallelogram, the fact that it has 4 sides and opposite angles are equal. Now you have 7 tans that form a tangram. After this, you could have students use their tans to form a pentagon or a 5-sided figure, a hexagon or a 6-sided figure, and any other figures that you might want to assign to them. Of course, after this, the students will want to make figures of their own choice with the tans. Tell them that there are over 6,500 different tangram puzzles compiled already, and the possibility of different puzzles that can be created is infinite.